Looking for top-notch window replacement services in Washington, D.C. featuring Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our company specializes in Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. installation and offers a wide range of energy-efficient windows to enhance your home. Whether you need custom window designs or double-hung windows, we provide expert window installation services and window frame replacement, including Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C., to meet all your needs. For those in Washington, D.C. seeking insulated glass windows and Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C., our window sealing services ensure maximum energy efficiency. We also offer historic window restoration and vinyl window replacement, perfect for maintaining the charm of older homes with Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our wood window replacement services in D.C. are ideal for homeowners who want classic-style Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Upgrade your home with our window glazing services and window hardware upgrades in Washington, D.C., including enhancements for Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. We provide window screen installation and bay window replacement to improve both functionality and aesthetics alongside Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our bow window installation services in Washington, D.C. also complement traditional Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. designs beautifully. Skylight window services in D.C. are available for those looking to brighten their spaces along with installing Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our window tinting services in Washington offer privacy and UV protection for Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. We also specialize in window caulking services and window weatherproofing to protect Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. from the elements. If you're experiencing window leaks around Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C., our window leak installation services in D.C. can help. We offer window condensation solutions in Washington, D.C. to prevent moisture buildup on Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our window sash replacement and window trim installation services ensure your Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. remain in top condition. For Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. replacement, trust our residential window services. We provide energy-efficient windows in Washington and custom window designs in D.C. that perfectly match Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. architecture. Our double-hung windows in Washington, D.C. pair well with elegant Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. for a cohesive look. Our window installation services in Washington, D.C. include window frame replacement and insulated glass windows, including Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. We offer window sealing services in D.C. and historic window restoration for older homes with Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Vinyl window replacement in Washington and wood window replacement in D.C. are available for upgrading Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Choose our window glazing services in Washington, D.C. to enhance the beauty of Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our window hardware upgrades in D.C. and window screen installation in Washington ensure your Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. operates smoothly. Bay window replacement in D.C. and bow window installation in Washington, D.C. can complement the elegance of Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. For skylight window services in D.C., our team provides expert installation and maintenance alongside Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. projects. Our window tinting services in Washington improve the comfort of homes with Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. We also provide window caulking services in D.C. and window weatherproofing in Washington, D.C. to protect Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. year-round. Our window sash replacement in D.C. and window trim installation in Washington ensure a perfect fit for Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Trust our window leak installation services in D.C. and window condensation solutions in Washington, D.C. to maintain the efficiency of Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. in your home. Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic appeal. These elegant Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C., known for their distinctive arches and symmetry, can transform any home into a masterpiece. Our expert team specializes in Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. Energy-efficient windows Washington are essential for reducing energy costs, especially when upgrading to Palladian Windows, Washington, D.C. Our window replacement services in Washington, D.C. include insulated glass options for Palladian windows Washington, D.C. and double-hung windows Washington, D.C. These Palladian windows Washington, D.C. designs help keep your home comfortable year-round. Custom window designs DC allow homeowners to incorporate Palladian windows Washington, D.C. into their architectural vision. Whether you're interested in bay window replacement DC or bow window installation Washington, D.C., we can integrate stunning Palladian windows Washington, D.C. into your renovation. We also offer window hardware upgrades DC to support modern Palladian windows Washington, D.C. functionality. Historic window restoration DC is ideal for preserving original Palladian windows Washington, D.C. in older properties. Our craftsmen are skilled in wood window replacement DC and window glazing services Washington, D.C. for restoring Palladian windows Washington, D.C. while improving energy efficiency. Window installation Washington, D.C. is crucial for maintaining the structure of Palladian windows Washington, D.C. Our services include window leak installation DC, window condensation solutions Washington, D.C., and window sealing services DC specifically for Palladian windows Washington, D.C. to ensure long-lasting protection. Vinyl window replacement Washington offers a modern solution for upgrading Palladian windows Washington, D.C. Our vinyl options are durable and low maintenance, making them a smart alternative for Palladian windows Washington, D.C. We also offer window screen installation Washington for homes featuring Palladian windows Washington, D.C. Window frame replacement DC is necessary when supporting structures around Palladian windows Washington, D.C. deteriorate. Our team ensures expert frame replacement and window trim installation Washington to enhance the beauty of Palladian windows Washington, D.C. Skylight window services DC can be combined with Palladian windows Washington, D.C. to maximize natural light. Our installation and sealing services help protect Palladian windows Washington, D.C. from leaks and energy loss. We also provide window tinting services Washington to shield Palladian windows Washington, D.C. interiors from UV damage. Window caulking services DC and window weatherproofing Washington, D.C. are essential for maintaining Palladian windows Washington, D.C. efficiency. Our technicians seal gaps around Palladian windows Washington, D.C. to prevent drafts and reduce energy waste. Window sash replacement DC restores the performance of Palladian windows Washington, D.C. We replace worn components to ensure smooth operation of Palladian windows Washington, D.C. and provide window glazing services Washington, D.C. to enhance insulation. Residential window services DC include complete installation and replacement of Palladian windows Washington, D.C. From custom designs to expert craftsmanship, our team ensures Palladian windows Washington, D.C. meet your expectations and elevate your home's appearance.